Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here. Hopefully, you see the title already. Dave in the Fire featuring Giggs, Gets, Meeks, and Fredo. Live at the Brits 2022. Bombo clot. Whoa, massa. Yo. Let's go. Let's go. Man, let's go. We got some bad artists.
In the fire, in the fire.
So we see Dave playing piano already. Dave can play piano, right? Now he's here playing the guitar. He's a true musician.
Have you been tried in the fire? Have you been tried in the fire? In the fire.
This look like it's gonna be fucking powerful. Sorry for my French, but it's gonna be powerful, dog. Cause I'm seeing David something around his neck. I'm thinking that's what I'm thinking, but I don't want to say nothing yet until it's clear. The girl can sing. Big up yourself. You can sing, mama.
Did you come through as pure gold? Have you been tried in that fire? I hope bullets sing high, the Mariah and choir. Spend a lot of time trapping, now I'm trying to retire. But this shit runs in my blood and I'm the
Goosebumps, breakdown. We don't know why we just get goosebumps a while ago, bro. I don't know why we get goosebumps like this. Let me take off my glasses. Fredo, you're not trouble in the dark. Goosebumps we get a while ago, bro. This feels so powerful, bro. This literally feels so powerful. You give me goosebumps a while ago. I don't know why. Yo.
Have you been tried in that fire? I hope bullets sing high, the Mariah and choir. Spend a lot of time trapping, now I'm trying to retire. But this shit runs in my blood and I'm the guy they require. But these guns don't bring nothing but prison and death. Still, all my niggas just admire the fire. Bro squeeze and he missed, but we admire and try a finesse kid. You could never lie to a liar. And Fred got that fire for days. I gotta write them in my notes, they'll be igniting the page. Grinding in cold nights, putting light to the flame. Now there's no flame that can melt the ice in my chain. I really put the ice and rice with the cane. Me and Santan, you won't see nothing like this again. That's my young boys again on the glide with the flame. I just really hope your block came with fire escape. Before my entrance, I took the fire exit. Tried and tested, about 20 times arrested.
What? Yo, the year just started already, and this is a mark. Like, this is a mark in the UK industry. This is a fucking mark, brother. Like, this is where the bar is.
Before my entrance, I took the fire exit. Tried and tested, about 20 times arrested. 2 times guilty, no comment, I guess they guessed it. Couple times jail, no forensics. This a DZ pendant, I don't need a necklace. We stay protected and connected, it's the energies I'm blessed with. And now they're watching like Netflix. How me doing next shit, trying to get rich, but what's rich? Took more losses than Boris, I sold more boxes than the post office. 21 in jail, it's riches I'm blessed with. And now they're watching like Netflix. How me doing next shit, trying to get rich, but what's rich? Took more losses than Boris, I sold more boxes than the post office.
To be saying these things from British national TV live at the Brits, bro, this takes guts. This takes guts. Man, they sell more bucks than post office. The choir though, but like the choir too.
Get rich, but what's rich? Took more losses than Boris, I sold more boxes than the post office. 21 in jail, it took me so solid. Why you think my vision's sick? I changed the game with my brain and so robotics. If you fell in my fire, you probably roast on it. Heat up the stove and put hope on it. Cause they don't care about our lives, I put my soul on it. I'm done trying to be somebody to some nobodies. I'm being so honest, and they don't know Boris.
But powerful, the man say I'm done trying to be somebody for some nobodies. So you are a nobody and you tell me if you try to be somebody. That not gonna work. Suck your bro. Dave, pick up yourself, though. Big up yourself, my G. We not hear gigs and gets yet. We not hear yo.
Fire burning while I'm watching higher learning. Guns busting, tigers turning. That's a Russian in a German. That's your phone ringing, you can hear the beat. You won't be saved by the bell when you hear the screech. In it so deep, open ocean. This man escaping some shells they can barely see.
This guy is not a bullshit guy. This guy is not a bullshit guy. This guy is a performer. This guy is a true musician, bro. Like, how much artists you know are gonna dress like this to come on stage, bro? Not a lot. He's here to work. He's working. And he's taking his job serious. He's taking his job serious. Gets seasoned at the business. Gets is a general at the business, bro. Gets is the G of the business, bro.
That's your phone ringing, you can hear the beat. You won't be saved by the bell when you hear the screech. In it so deep, open ocean. This man escaping some shells they can barely see. Making bro raising hell, we gon' share the heat. They put us in the same cell, we gon' share the sleep. I'm my brother's keeper, it's deeper. I'm my brother's leader, speaker. I'm the eldest, the one that had to make a name so the bells ring. So nobody would trouble my siblings in this whirlwind. My older cousin wasn't known for nothing. Never had no one I could call, so I was holding something. I'm digging deep with this tool like I'm going plumbing. Something in your chest like it's Robitussin.
You can tell an artist mastered his craft, like he's at the top of his game when them hold the mic in a way so it's not covering up the actual mic bit. Let me show you what I'm talking. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Cause I don't think I joke this. Yo, when an artist, unplug artist, when an artist is not seasoned in the business, this is how them hold them mic. So everything when them say is muffled. What gets I do? The mic is right here. So it's holding it like a true musician, bro. Like a true musician to actually have the mic like this and not like this. You see me? Like, this is like a street style. This is a proper musician. Look at all the big singers. This is how them hold the mic. So you can hear everything through the phone. Yo, gets. Look at my
I'm digging deep with this tool like I'm going plumbing. Something in your chest like it's Robitussin. Word to arsonist, I burned all this. I stood in front of all three dragons and heard your
boss I play the piano now. The boss from the guitar to the piano. Musician for days.
Word to arsonist, I burned all this. I stood in front of all three dragons and heard your chorus. Now we jumping out of G-Wagons and murking parties. Man,
his mic have like a knuckle duster thing on it also. Yo.
Coming out with these bangers and dirty dancing. Nobody puts baby in the corner. I uplift my girl like I'm Sweezy in the water. And if it's already written, maybe I'm the author. So accustomed to the fire, I get shivers when I'm naked in the sauna. How? Many times that they're mistaking me for scorching now. Looking in the mirror saying Justin, just corner. Say get all downstairs and tell him just bring me water. And tell gets I put something in the formula. I'm focused, I don't need to burn the kush. This is Moses speaking to the burning bush. I stood in front of the fire and learned to scorching now. Looking in the mirror saying Justin, just corner. Say get all downstairs and tell him just bring me water. And tell gets I put something in the formula. I'm focused, I don't need to burn the kush. This is Moses speaking to the burning bush. I stood in front of the fire and learned to cook. Finished my verse and never heard a hook.
Riskiest numbers, this jungle, stick for your youngers. He's hungry,
You're the G coming out now. Yo, you're next G dog. Bro, Dave, how you do this, bro? Dave, how you manage this, my G? Santan, how you manage this? Jeez, bro, this would have to been the performance of the night, I'm sure.
Learn to cook, finish my verse and never heard a hook.
riskiest numbers, this jungle, stick for your youngers. He's hungry, picked up the fungus. Hip tumble, slipped him 100. Yeah, lived in the dungeon. Those air mats switched, stung.
Not saying gigs is not seasoning the business. Not saying gigs is not a G, but look at the difference with all gigs are holding mic to all gets holding mic. Look at the difference. Just look at the difference.
You can't walk in my shoes. You could be risking a bunion. The government's twisted. I cover this ship to cover this Christmas. Forget them old friends. I'm done with those pictures. They color coded. My brothers and sisters. Run the river. You're a brother, but you running with him. Try accusing me of colorism. Blinded because you look at me with tunnel vision. I was falling, but I've gone and risen. Is this trusty. A sideshow Bob when he's creeping on crusty. Streets keep me tossing, people disgust me. Race is disease that disgusts me. Don't touch me in the streets with a sweeper, for the streets pretty dusty. And I've always got love for genuine people that boss me. Santan and the gang advisor, I'ma check him out, I'ma analyze her. She was calling me an antagonizer. Let me sanitize, where's the sanitizer? Just flutter by. He said, geez, can you handle this? He said, float like a butterfly. I bring truth, but they love a lie.
What I also like about this, them know each other's verse. Them know each other's verse. When Meeks was singing, Mr. Fredo, I sing to Meeks' verse. When Fredo was singing, I see Santan singing to Fredo's verse. I see Santan singing to Get's verse. I know he's singing to Gig's verse. So yo, yeah.
On the man, they should run and buy.
Yeah, in the fire been tried, affected the way I've been wired inside. You can hide or glide. I could.
No, okay. He's about to go in. I know. Put this away, so he's about to go in.
But they love a lie. Plans on the man, they should run and buy.
Yeah, in the fire been tried, affected the way I've been wired inside. You can hide or glide. I could have been deported. That's the definition of a fight or flight. You can type who you like. I know about homeless, immigration. It took me from my mum's arms, spun a gun charge, 2 swords. I'm a Ronin, Blaszczykowski. I'm trying to score with a Polish. Pain in my eyes, plans of me staying in a guy with a vision of this change in my life. Crimes on the rise, haze on the rise. Feel like everything but my mum's pays on the rise. Did you come through? That's the question. Affording a burner was never man's problem. Adoption, we couldn't find homes to the weapons. By the station, we got polls, no election, and the fire been tested. Before I had money, it was time I invested. Nothing changed, still time I invested. Watch Game Delicate, Tutankhamun, there's money and skeletons. All I gotta do is point, they're gonna sever his head and tell that we're better as friends. Nights that I can't remember with some people I could never forget. Cancer Cruz, it's better than Shrek. Don't make me call a young gunner on the back of a pen, slapping a leg. Civilians grabbing your friends. There's chaos on the main road. It's all choppers and tents. All because of some shit you said. I got killers with me and they love me. They make a man's heart stop. You find horrifying, get laughed off. I'm like Meeks, bro. Won't stop, can't stop. Yeah, it's kinda different when the fires really start, bro.
Power fucking full, bro. Power full, bro. Fuck. Going again? Going again? Oh, the choir time. Choir bad. I love the choir. I love the choir, bro. He's so talented. Fully pumped. Fully fucking pumped. Yo, fully fucking pumped, bro. Bro, fully pumped, bro. Fully pumped. Yo, what we just watch a while ago, dog? That was legendary, bro. That is legendary, dog. History in front of the eyes, bro. Meeks, Gigs, Fredo, Gets, Santan, bro. The choir also. The guitarist, yo. Brits, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Gets live Dave live performance are out of this world, dog. The man just like he's different, like so different. Yo. This one I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you want to see you in the next one. Peace.